There are more pyramids in Sudan than there are in Egypt. Those who do not know, please know it. But those in Sudan were built by African women, the Kendake queens. And the first one that was ever built was built by a queen that was born with one eye closed, Amani Renas. That pyramid had so much wealth inside of it, and it survived until in 1897, it was plundered and bombed by an Italian explorer and wealth collector. They even had these criminals, they gave nice name, explorer and wealth collector. Giuseppe Fellini. He plundered that pyramid. Oh, they actually also called them treasure hunters. He bombed it, took everything in it. We still do not know. Italy must tell us. I know that the president of Italy was talking so much about the one in France. We actually need to ask her to find the descendants of Giuseppe Fellini for us, because we want the contents.